In India, Sabudana is synonymous with Vrat ka khana. Sabudana, also known as sago, is a starch extracted from the roots of tapioca. The root is cleaned and crushed, which releases milk. This milk is then rested for a few hours, drained and shaped into mini globules. The globules are roasted, dried, or polished to achieve the milky white color we associate with Sabudana. Sabudana was first introduced to India in the south, especially Kerala. In the late 1800s, the erstwhile kingdom of Travancore was going through a major famine. The then King Ayilyam Thirunal Ramavarma and his brother Vishakam Thirunal Maharaja, who succeeded him, realized that the starchy tuber could help revitalize the population. But people were hesitant. Not enough was known about this strange tuber, and many were unsure whether it was safe to eat. To help people trust the new food, Vishakam Thirunal Maharaja ordered the tapioca to be cooked and served to him to eat. This way, he raised awareness and instilled trust in people to consume the tuber. And tapioca became the most reliable and affordable source of food among people.